Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And today I am walking on Cullingworth Viaduct. Yeah, what's interesting about this viaduct is that it used to be an old railway bridge. Yeah, there's signs about it all over the place. Yeah, so I'm just walking along the second bridge right now. Yeah, later on in the video, sorry. Yeah, sorry guys, I've got a bit of a croaky voice. Yeah. Yeah. So from on top of here, you can get a great view. Hang on, if I go over here, just check out that view. And on the other side, there is a reservoir. And I'm going to show you. There. Sometimes when the water level is high enough, there's like little waterfalls down there. Yes. Yeah, when the water levels are high. When there's been a lot of rain. Which is quite common here in the UK. Yes, because British weather. Not very good. It looks like it's gonna rain soon. Don't know when. But I'll head to that second bridge. The first bridge actually. Then I'm gonna head home because it's starting to get a bit chilly out here. Yeah, we're moving into autumn up here. Yeah, so that's basically it for the second bridge. There's footpaths below this bridge. Yeah, there are footpaths going from the main road, which is just down over there somewhere. Yep. So, oh yeah, there's some information here about the bridge. It's the Great Northern Railway Trail. Hewenden Viaduct is a magnificent Grade 2 listed structure and was built between 1881 and 1884. The viaduct was built by the Great Northern Railway to link the industrial towns of Bradford, Halifax and Keighley. And it remains one of the highest viaducts in Britain, standing at 124 feet from floor to parapet wall. Wow, that's high. I don't know what parapet means, but if one of you guys would like to search up parapet in a dictionary, yeah, and make sure to let me know. I'm not sure if I'll be able to turn comments on, but it required massive foundations of 62 feet due to shifting sands. To give you an idea that it is half the actual height of the viaduct itself, it is 376 yards long. No wonder it feels so long walking along it. Just look at all that. There's no way that's 76 yards long. It consists of 17 arches, which have spans of 50 feet each. It is made from local stone quarried from mine wells at Cullingworth. I live in Cullingworth. And only the underside of the arches is brickwork. Not one life was lost in the construction of this monumental structure, with the only casualty being a man who broke his leg while standing underneath a stone crane. Well, that's silly. The first train crossed the viaduct in 1884 with the opening of the first train crossed the viaduct in 1884 with the opening of the Denham to Ingro section of the line. The route was known to the engine crew as the Alpine route due to its severe gradients, tunnels and viaducts. Oh, this is interesting. So guess that. So I guess that's where his station started. Then that's Cullingworth Viaduct. Hewenden Viaduct. Oh yeah, that's the first bridge I'm talking about. That one there. I think there's two routes. Okay, there's Denham. That's Thornton. Queensbury. Oh. When originally planning the route in 1873, the line was designed to follow the contour of the hillside parallel to Halifax Road on its way to Denham. After concerns from Bradford Corporation about the potential disruption of the water supply to their new reservoir, the railway was rerouted across the valley, necessitating the need for Hewenden Viaduct. The additional costs to the Great Northern Railway Company, in today's terms, would have been approximately $4 million. Jeez. Sadly, the line closed to passengers on 23rd of May 1955, and the track was lifted after the last goods train in 1964. The viaduct was, however, reopened to walkers, cyclists, and horse riders in 2005, 3 years before I was born. I was born in 2008. Exactly 50 years after the last passenger train ran over the route, the plaque on the end of the viaduct is dedicated to the memory of Phil Jackson, 1974 to 2010. I would have been 2 years old then. So that's history for you lot. Wow, I didn't know the bridge was made that long ago. Well, you learn something new every day. You learn something new every day. I wonder what that says. Proceeding in the course of the line from Modern Oak. Oh yes. That was I don't know. We soon obtain a full view of Hewenden Viaduct as it turns on the curve. This splendid piece of masonry is counted amongst one of the highest viaducts in the country, and may justly be regarded as a triumph of engineering skill. Buzz off you. In its construction, no life was lost, and the only casualty which occurred in this gigantic work was to a man who had his leg broken while standing beneath a crane and lifting a block of stone. Nasty. The proportions of the viaduct are as follows. Length 376 yards, and height from ground to rail 124 feet in the deepest part. Oh, interesting. Oldie worldy beans. Oh, there's a number. Nah, I'm not interested. So if any of you are like studying studying or learning about engineering and stuff like that, head over to Cullingworth. You'll head over to Cullingworth Viaduct. Yeah, you'll learn lots about that. You'll learn lots about the viaduct and how it was built and stuff like that. There's some more signs along the route. I'll have to do this soon because I've only got 7 minutes left of camera. Yeah. So. Let's see. She must be listening to someone. Oh. Ah, there's the sign. No. Oh, silly. Cool. So, look at all this, guys. I'll move my camera along slowly so you guys have a chance to read the writing. Can't tell what that says. Yeah. There is another sign. 12 spaced apart. Oh, and if you like climbing things, there's a very good tree you can climb. Just make sure you got good climbing shoes. Yeah, just make sure you got good climbing shoes. Yeah. Yeah, the tree you can climb is literally right here. Yeah, sometimes I like climbing it myself. Well, I would climb it today, but I'm not because I got a camera in my hand. Yeah, sometimes you can just climb around here. Yeah, no. Everyone's so friendly in Cullingworth. If you're wondering where Cullingworth is, it's between Denham and Harden. And from Aircroft to Haworth. Good job they put warning signs here. Yeah, it says slow, road ahead. Yeah, there's a farm. It's a farm just to the left here. Yes. So sometimes you have to look where you're going. Public footpath, Dole Lane to Cullingworth Road, 100 yards. That's to the right. Public footpath, Dole Lane, and that's to the left. But we're not going left or right, we're going straight. Yeah, because the Great Northern Railway Trail links up with the road here. So I guess there used to be a crossing here. And there used to be like old benches scattered about. But some people have put new benches in them and have carved Great Northern Railway Trail on it. Yeah, I like that. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you all of the viaduct, guys, because I haven't got left on my camera. I think I can only hold it for 17 minutes and 6 seconds. Well, I could hold it for 25. Yeah, so there's some more signs along the route. There's 2 more. Hopefully they can do this in time. I better pick up the pace then. So there's a big bridle way up there. Try not to get people in the camera. Yeah.
Oh look, you're in another brown outfit with black shoes. Got some cream New Balance would do for that outfit, Fred.
Hey.